I just wasted my time to this place. God, look at this hot sun. Like I would turn black before night. Imagine that where the Access Bank where I was just like 1 minute away from where I was supposed to go, and then I walked all in that sun for nothing, only to come here and find out that this place that Enugu State has both the federal and the government. So this is actually for the federal, so I have to go back to that same place right now for the government's one. Am I not fucked? I'm at FRCS now. I suffered so much today. Another thing, this is not the place I'm meant to get my TIN number. So I was told to walk up a bit, that the branch is in front. I don't suffer today. But I'm getting closer. Glory be to God. Like, so this place, in fact, the mistake was actually from me, you understand, because I know all this place. If I had used my map, I will not be in the shit that I'm in right now. If I've used my map from the first time I got into Enugu, I'll not be suffering this that I'm suffering. But I have to walk all the way from that place now to this place right in front of me, guys. FIRS, finally. I got it. I'm here now. Let me go in. I don't even know if they let me use my phone inside. This place actually looks very nice. It's actually bigger than the first place that we actually went to. So I'm entering inside now. Good morning. Am I supposed to write my name? Yeah. Team. Okay. From here to.
You know, this place is somehow hidden.
Yes, it's true. It's hidden. So guys, I'm here. I'm filling the form. So what am I supposed to write in the company's name?
The name of the company
is a content creator.
Oh, content. You need your individual.
Yes.
It's not here.
Oh my God. Where is it?
It's only the state internal product.
Where is that?
Just down here.
Hey, Jesus. Wait.
Do you know what?
You mean you guys' office? The one just here?
Not our office. This is state. Any good state internal product.
So this one is not the state?
This one is federal.
But they told me that one too was federal. The one at Otiwa.
Yeah, it's not our office. The one at Otiwa is also federal, but the regional office of state is, but it's the same FIRS. The place like this one now is Federal Inland Revenue Service. While that one is Enugu State Internal Board of Revenue.
You guys should just kill me already.
But all the same, since you are here, just go in and ask if they can
give me.
Yeah.
But I don't want the one that will give me problem.
Like go and just explain to them.
Okay, so I should still fill up this thing.
Just leave this plate blank.
Okay, thank you. Not here. So he was like, I should go like this.
Just straight.
Just straight down. Then I'll see their building.
Yeah, come outside now.
Okay, yeah, sure.
Just until you confirm 10-7.
10-7-10. Thank you very much. Bye. Guys, you see? Still wrong place. The guy was even asking me inside, why are you sweating like this? I told him everything. He was like, sorry, but I'm at the wrong place. So I need to walk down to the other side to see. I'm really tired, girl. I'm having a headache. Yeah, I'm supposed to be singing Uwamo Okansirije. I don't suffer today. I think before I get home, I'm sure I'm going to even have sunburn. Like I'm going to have sunburn all over my chest, my forehead, and my arms. See, it's already getting darker, little by little. Since morning, I've been on this journey. Like since morning. I'm tired. I'm tired, bro. Thank God I even chose these glasses. You know, I wanted to take a more transparent glasses, but with this sun, hey, in fact, I'm putting on these glasses as if I'm not putting on any glasses. But the thing I did that I don't usually do is to forget my head tie. I mean, look at how this place is dirty. Can you imagine? Dump everywhere here. They've turned this place into their dustbin. What I usually don't do is to forget my head tie, because I don't know, I think because I was in a rush, I just forgot to pick my head tie. Now look at it, sun hitting me everywhere. Whew, we're there. Let me off this thing before police people will say that I'm not videoing there. Guys, I'm there. I don't know if you can see their name up there. That is them. So see, the final, I'm at the right place. So let's go inside and see what they have. See, this is their name. We're going inside now. So guys, I'm done. Finally final. Glory be to God. So now I have my TIN number, and again I got her phone number just in case you want to do yours. Okay, to be very easy for you, all I have to do is just to give you her contact number. You come here and you just go straight to her table. You have your stuff. You see, it didn't even take up to 5 minutes and I'm out after all the whole suffer. Thank God.